Leyte Congressman and Majority Leader Martin Romualdez is pleased with the changes made by Speaker Lord Allan Velasco in the House of Representatives, including the newest Secretary General. Sec. Gen. Mark Leandro Mendoza is a former member of the House. He represented the 4th District of Batangas from 2007 to 2016. He is the son of the late Leandro Mendoza, the former Department of Transportation and Communications Secretary and the former Chief of the Philippine National Police.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.